Why spend on probiotics when your starter can do the job? So, I made my probiotic mix from Sarlo. Here it is, my Saucy Starter.
It's made from cooked flour paste and starter, something you can easily add to your cooked foods for extra gut-friendly goodness. To make it, start with the paste. The ratio is 1 cup of water to half a cup of flour. I like mixing all-purpose and whole wheat flour for extra nutrients and bubbles. Cook it until it's smooth and thick like gravy, then let it cool down. Now, mix 2 tablespoons of your raw starter with a 1/4 cup of your cooked paste. Stir well, cover loosely, and let it sit for 4 to 6 hours until it gets bubbly. You'll need to feed it 3 to 4 times like this, each time using freshly cooked paste to fully transform your raw starter into a cooked saucy starter. Once it's active and bubbly, keep it in the fridge. Feed it once a week using the same cooked paste. When it's ready, add a teaspoon to your starchy cooked foods, or stir it into your cold drinks. If you mix it into something hot, like coffee or soup, the heat will kill the live bacteria, but it still gives prebiotic benefits. Also, try to use it during the day, not at dinner. Probiotics can sometimes be active enough to disrupt your sleep, so it's best to enjoy it earlier. This is my easy, budget-friendly way to enjoy probiotics, just mimicking science in my kitchen, and by God's grace, it works on me.